Stop calling yourself lazy. 1. Remember why you started. Sometimes life feels very heavy. You wake up, look at the ceiling, and wonder, what is the point of this day? You want to stay in bed. You feel empty. You feel lost. But deep inside, there is a dream, a purpose, a reason you started this journey. Once, there was a girl named Lisa. She left her small town to study in the big city. She wanted to become a doctor. Her parents worked on farms. They sold crops to pay her fees. She stayed in a small room with only one light bulb. She cooked rice on a single stove. One day, she failed a test. She felt useless. She thought about quitting. That evening, her phone buzzed. A message came from her mother. I sold my gold earrings. Paid your fees. Keep going. I believe in you. She cried for 1 hour. Not because of failure, but because of the faith behind those words. That message reminded her she was not studying just for herself. She carried the hopes of her entire family. She wiped her tears, opened her book, studied again. You must do the same. Your why is your power. It is your fuel on days when your heart is tired. Action step: take a paper and write, why did I start? Write with truth, with pain, with hope. Hang it near your bed. Read it daily. When you know your why, your laziness has no place to live. 2. Move your body first. Most people wait. They wait for motivation like it is a gift from the sky. But motivation is not magic. Movement creates motivation. Think of a boy named Arjun. He lost his job during lockdown. He used to be active. He went to the gym. He met friends. After losing his job, he stayed inside. Days became weeks. His body became weak. His mind became sad. Then one morning, he looked in the mirror. He didn't recognize himself. He put on his shoes, walked outside. Just 5 minutes. The next day, he walked again. 10 minutes. Slowly, he felt better. His sleep improved. He started looking for work again. He felt alive. Why? Because his body moved. And the mind followed. Try this today. Jump in place for 30 seconds. Stretch your arms and back. Dance to your favorite song. Walk around your home. Start small. But start. 3. Stop living in old pain. You are not lazy. You are protecting yourself. Sometimes laziness is not about energy. It is about pain. Maybe someone told you, you will fail. Maybe you tried once and got hurt. Maybe you lost something big, a person, a job, a dream. Now your heart is scared. Your brain says, let's not try again. It hurts too much. But you can't grow if you live in the past. Let's meet John. He wanted to start a business. He borrowed money from friends. His first business failed. He lost everything. He felt shame, guilt, and fear. For 4 years, he did nothing. He stopped dreaming. Then one day, he met an old teacher. The teacher said, "You did not fail. You just started early." That sentence changed his life. He started again. Slowly. This time, he was wiser. And this time, he succeeded. Your pain is real, but your future is stronger. Heal before you build. Write a letter to your old self. Say sorry. Say thank you. Forgive others. Forgive yourself. Let go of the pain. Make space for progress. 4. Ask for help. Asking for help is not weakness. It is intelligence. When you don't ask, you suffer alone. There was a girl named Asha. She wanted to learn English, but she was shy. She feared people would laugh. So she practiced alone. But she didn't improve. Then one day, she saw a boy in her class who spoke very well. She went to him and said, "I want to speak better. Can I practice with you?" He smiled and said yes. In 1 month, her English improved more than it had in a year. All because she asked. Say this out loud. Can you help me? I don't know. Please explain. Can you show me? Asking is brave. Asking saves time. 5. Maybe your environment is weakening you. Look around. Who are you talking to daily? What are you watching daily? What do you hear daily? If your circle is full of people who laugh at dreams, skip work, waste time, gossip all day, then you will feel heavy. Your brain becomes what it sees. There's a boy named Roy. He always wanted to write a book, but his friends only cared about parties. They said, "Writing is boring. No one reads books." So Roy stopped writing. Then he joined an online writing group. They gave him feedback. They encouraged him. In 6 months, Roy published his first short story. He didn't become better. He just changed his environment. Make a new circle. Join a group with your goals. Follow people who inspire you. Talk to those who support you. If no one around supports your dream, be your first supporter. Walk alone if needed. You'll find better people ahead. 6. Stop watching other people's lives. The internet is a mirror, but it only shows the shiny parts. You see influencers smiling. You see athletes winning. You see singers dancing. But you don't see their failures, their late nights, their loneliness, their pain. You scroll and feel, I am behind. I am not good enough. But that is not true. You are on a different path, different time, different speed. Digital detox tips. Unfollow 10 accounts that make you feel small. Turn off notifications. Use apps that block social media. Replace 30 minutes of scrolling with reading or walking. Every hour you spend watching others, you lose a chance to build yourself. Live your life, not theirs. 7. Create your own system. You don't need to follow the 5 a.m. club if it doesn't suit you. Some people love silence. Some love music. Some love chaos. Find what works for you. Meet Clara. She tried waking up at 5 a.m. like a famous author. But she felt sleepy. She couldn't write. Then she tried writing at night. From 9 p.m. to midnight. Magic happened. Words flowed. Now, that is her routine. And it works beautifully. Design your system. Best time to work. Best place to focus. Best break method. Don't copy. Create. When the system fits your soul, success feels natural. 8. Change the way you talk to yourself. Your brain listens. If you say, I am lazy, I am dumb, I always fail, your brain believes it. But if you say, I'm trying, I'm getting better, every step counts, your brain starts to support you. Daily affirmations say in front of a mirror, I am worthy of success. I am getting stronger every day. I choose progress over perfection. I respect my journey. Be your own coach, not your critic. 9. Stop waiting for perfect time. Tomorrow is a trick. It whispers, wait, relax. You'll be ready soon. But the truth is, you are already ready. Success is not about perfect timing. It's about brave starting. Start small, open the book, write 1 paragraph, send 1 email, do 5 push-ups, drink 1 glass of water. Starting creates flow. Flow kills laziness. 10. Take care of your energy. Laziness is not always mental. Sometimes it is physical. Ask yourself, are you sleeping enough? Do you drink enough water? Do you eat too much junk? Do you stare at screens all day? The mind is not a machine. It needs fuel. Boost your energy. Drink 8 glasses of water. Eat fruits daily. Walk after meals. Stretch every 2 hours. Sleep by 11 p.m. When your body feels good, your dreams feel possible. 11. Use pain as fire. What hurt you can build you. Your heartbreak, your failures, your losses. Don't hide them. Use them. Say, this pain will become my power. This failure will become my fuel. Turn your tears into a plan. Turn your fears into a fire. You are not broken. You are becoming. 12. Become a beginner again. Laziness can come from fear of looking foolish. You don't want to start because you are afraid to fail. You don't want to look slow. You think others are better. But everyone starts small. Even the greatest once fumbled. Say this: I am proud to be a beginner. Mistakes are part of growth. Every expert was once new. Fall, learn, grow, and repeat. 13. Find your tiny daily victory. Big goals feel heavy, but tiny wins feel light. Don't aim to write a book today. Just write 1 page. Don't aim to lose 10 kilograms. Just eat 1 healthy meal. Stack small wins. Track this: today I moved my body. Today I drank enough water. Today I did my task for 5 minutes. Each check builds belief. The final truth: you are not lazy. You are human. You carry stories. You carry scars. But you also carry power. You carry dreams. You carry fire. You carry greatness. Some days are slow. That's okay. Some days you fall. That's okay. But never forget, you are meant for more. You are enough. You can rise again. So get up. Breathe. Begin. Again. The world is not looking for perfect people. The world is waiting for you to show up. Thank you for watching today's story. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to help us grow. We really appreciate your support. See you in the next video.